Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salamu ala rahmatil lil alameen. Assalamu alaikum. In the previous video, we discussed the role of immunity to protect the body from invasion of microorganisms. Innate immunity include physical barriers such as skin, gastric acid, cilia, and white blood cells such as neutrophils and macrophages. These cells play an important role in eradicating the infectious agent, but the story does not end here. After the microorganism has been phagocytosed by macrophages, adaptive immunity comes into play. Adaptive immunity ensures that the body has long-lasting defense mechanism against microorganisms. The long-lasting mechanism include production of antibodies, also known as humoral immunity, which can be subdivided into active immunity and passive immunity. In active immunity, the body produces antibodies, while in passive immunity, antibodies are injected into the bloodstream. Macrophages are not only phagocytes but also connect innate immunity with adaptive immunity. Macrophages act as antigen-presenting cells and present the antigen to helper T lymphocytes. Antigen is any substance that can initiate immune response in the body. Antigen is presented to T lymphocytes, also known as helper T lymphocytes, and activation requires two signals. But the most important signal is the interaction of T cell receptor and CD4 protein with major histocompatibility complex 2, MHC2. MHC2 is only expressed by antigen-presenting cells and play an important role in the activation of T lymphocytes. Once the helper T lymphocytes are activated, they secrete cytokines that stimulate the B lymphocytes to become large plasma cells that produce antibodies. Antibodies can be classified into IgA, IgM, IgG, IgD, and IgE. The most abundant circulating antibody is IgG. While initially IgM is produced, with passage of time, the production of IgM switches into IgG. Antibodies have different functions that include, but are not limited to, activation of complement system, opsonization, and neutralization. Opsonization is a special type of phagocytosis. We'll discuss these functions in the next video. T lymphocytes that express CD8 rather CD4 are known as cytotoxic T lymphocytes and are usually associated with elimination of virus-infected cells and tumor cells. In summary, both innate immunity and adaptive immunity should be intact, and both should interact to protect the body from foreign cell invasion. Activation of adaptive immunity leads to production of antibodies and memory cells that play an important role in long-lasting immunity. Thank you for watching.